welcome back to my channel. Let me get my gum out. Today is a very special day. Today my daughter Kirsten, aka Coco, she attends Texas A&M University, and today she receives her ring, which is a major accomplishment, and she is that much closer to graduation 2020. Let me interject very quickly. We were en route to College Station at the next part of the video, and I failed to mention that we were stopping at the midpoint, which is halfway between Houston and College Station. We never travel to College Station without stopping at Buc-ee's. And I began recording when we were at Buc-ee's because I completely forgot that I was supposed to vlog beginning that morning. So I started when we were at Buc-ee's. So the next part of the video, you will see we're at Buc-ee's, and that's why I started the video in the car. So carry on.
I was poor, the sign in the way of what you're reaching for. Gotta play the game, you gotta reach the score. Me if I want it, gotta hustle for it.
We made it! And now it's time to start getting ready. We're waiting on Coco to come outside. Turn this down. Here she comes. That's her right there. Yay! Yes! Y'all see her? She is about to transform.
So my mom's doing my sister's makeup. Well, when she's done, I'll show you guys the finishing results. So how do you feel right now?
Feel great. Feel happy. Marvelous.
Woo! Mama, you covering up the camera.
I'm sorry.
Stop! Who is that? Who is that?
All right, y'all. We are currently, y'all see what's behind me? This is Kyle Field. This is Chloe. We are now arriving at the location for the Ring Day celebration. Let me let you guys see.
Right here. You look at the white banner hanging above the steps and make sure that you're in the line that corresponds.
Group 21.
Hello, nice to meet you. Let me see. She has her Aggie ring. It is a big deal out here in Aggie land. And I am honestly a proud mother. She is in her senior year, and ring day is a major accomplishment. During her time here, I think her sophomore year, she made the dean's list. She is a hard worker. I am super duper proud of her. Next up, graduation, May of 2020. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Gig 'em.